immediately today. So there are 3 worksheets that we would like to complete by the end of this week, as well as get that assignment in so that we can, so that I can finish up this section and start something new next week. Where do you want to start on today? Like, basically, I'm just looking at worksheets and answering any questions. So do you have questions from the worksheets? The 3 worksheets.
Could we go through the textbook or something? Like, try and learn from there? I find that helps me better.
So you want, okay, what do you need, Mary? What exactly?
Like, are we starting a new section, you're saying?
No, not today. I said by the end of this week, we need to be done this chapter 18.
Okay.
Okay, and then we'll, the
Doing
only,
this next section, like electrolysis with the batteries, right?
we're gonna do electromagnetism, and we'll go through that, and then we get into the other textbook. So we'll have to do some fancy footwork with the other textbook to get you the other textbook, because work and momentum is all in the other textbook, and we need to do it. So we're going to finish this up this week and then go into electromagnetism next week. So I'll have to email you, scan and email you packages for it as well. Okay.
You know, I find that Microsoft OneDrive with the document scanner, that works really well because then it's all PDF format.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree.
For books and stuff, it's nice.
Yeah, no, it's working well so far, for sure. Okay, so do you have questions? Any of you have questions from?
Could you do question? Let's see. It's on. It's not really part 8.
Yep.
When it's an 18 marks a lot. Operates. It's like the second.
I did the second one on video yesterday, for the record. The lamp operates continuously across 22 volts, line dissipating 500 watts. So we need to find the amount of electrons flowing. So you need your current. So let's find out what our current is. So take 500 and divide it by 22. So that's normally, yeah, so 727, right? So normally what I would do is I'd say, okay, well, that's my amps, right? Well, what we learned about amperes to begin with is it's coulombs per second, okay? So we need to find out, our goal is to get to electrons. So we need to know how many coulombs flow through there in a day. So first thing I do is I've got 3,600 seconds because that's in 1 hour. I got 24 hours in 1 day, right? So that gets me where I want to be in terms of my time. And then I need the number of electrons in 1 coulomb. Oh, making a mess of this, sorry. Equals, okay. So I have to convert my time to 1 day. So I have to change all the seconds into how many seconds there are in a day. And then I have to find out how many coulombs, how many electrons there are in 1 coulomb, right? You following this?
Yeah, I'm just trying to So what I got was 1.23 times 10 to the negative 11.
Not what I got. I got 1.227 times 10 to the 25.
I got the same as Mary.
Times 10 to the 25.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm timesing by 3,600, right?
Yeah.
And then
3,600.
times it by 24 for the 24 hours in a day.
Yeah.
And then I times it by 6.25 times 10 to the 18 electrons.
That's right. Oh.
Maybe it's
I
19.
accidentally put negative 18. Yeah,
Oh.
I accidentally put times 10 to the negative 18 electrons.
Okay.
Good. Problem solved.
Problem solved. All right. Other questions this morning?
Not really. I just gotta finish up the assignment.
Okay. Mary, you're okay?
Yep, I'm alright.
Okay. Daylin?
Yeah.
Okay. You got to get going, then that's fine. That's all I have for you today. We will.